Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to write a banner grabbing program in Python with the help of socket module. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, that will help me a lot. If you don't know anything about socket module, then see the video that I already did a video about socket module. I am leaving the video in cards section. To import any module we use import statement. Here we used import socket statement to import the socket module. Here we are passing 3 parameters to socket constructor. Here S is of object of type socket. To know about the parameter that I passed, then watch the video that I left in the cards section. We are taking 2 variables to store port and host. Connect method is used to connect 2 machines based on host address and port number. After that we are sending HTTP request using get method. Now we need to store the received content in a variable. After running this you can see we got an error as connection refused. Because no ports are opened on my Kali machine. This is how we write Python code for banner grabbing program. I hope you learned something new. If you did, hit like and subscribe, it will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.